Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert an MKV file into mp4 using VLC Media Player. If you find this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Converting MKV to mp4 is useful because mp4 files are supported on most devices, media players, and video editing software. So let's get started. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. Once VLC is open, go to the top left corner and click on Media. From the menu, select Convert/Save. You can also press Ctrl+ or on your keyboard to open this window quickly. Now click on the Add button and select the MKV file you want to convert. As you can see, I have an MKV video prepared for this tutorial, so I'll select it and click Open. After adding the file, click on Convert/Save at the bottom. Next, go to the Profile section and click on the drop-down menu. From the list, select Video, H.264 plus MP3, MP4. Now you need to choose where you want to save the converted file. Click on Browse, choose your destination folder, and you can also rename the file if you want. Once everything is ready, click Save, and then click Start. VLC will now begin converting your MKV file into MP4. If the video is long, the progress will be shown in the playback bar. Once the process is complete, you'll find the MP4 file in the destination folder you selected. And that's it. That's how you can quickly convert an MKV file into MP4 using VLC Media Player. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.